Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talks. I'm really happy you're here today. So, today we're going to talk about something very important, something that almost every English learner struggles with: how to talk about yourself confidently in English. Now, if you're already feeling a little nervous just hearing that, don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, many people tell me, I understand English, but when I talk about myself, my mind goes blank. If that sounds like you, this video is especially for you. Let me tell you something first. Confidence in English is not about using big words. It's not about sounding perfect. Confidence comes from knowing what to say and saying it in a simple, natural way. Let's imagine something together. You meet someone new, maybe at work, maybe at a party, or maybe during an interview. They smile and ask you, "So, tell me about yourself." And suddenly, your heart beats faster. Your thoughts get messy. You think, where do I start? What should I say? What if I make a mistake? Take a deep breath with me. It's okay, because talking about yourself in English is actually very simple when you follow a natural flow. Let's start gently. When you talk about yourself, you don't need to say everything. You just need to share a few clear things, step by step. And the first thing, the easiest thing, is your name. You can simply say, "Hi, I'm Alex." That's it. No pressure, no long sentence. You can also say, "My name is Alex." Both are correct. Both sound natural. Now, let's make it a little more friendly. You can add, "Nice to meet you." So together it sounds like this. "Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you." Try saying it in your mind, or even out loud. Good. See? You're already doing it. Now, after your name, people usually want to know where you're from. Again, keep it simple. You can say, "I'm from India," or "I'm from Canada." That's enough. But if you want to sound a little more confident, a little more relaxed, you can add one small detail. For example, "I'm from India and I live in Toronto now." Or, "I'm from Canada, originally from Vancouver." Notice something important here. I'm not trying to impress anyone. I'm just sharing information. Calmly. Confidence feels quiet, not loud. Now, let's move to the next part. Now, let's talk about what you do. This part makes many people nervous, but it doesn't have to. You don't need a long explanation. One clear sentence is perfect. You can say, "I work as a software developer," or "I'm a student," or "I work in customer service." If you want to add a little more, you can say, "I work as a software developer and I really enjoy it." Or, "I'm a student and I'm currently studying business." Listen to how natural that sounds. No stress, no rushing. Now, let me tell you something very important. You do not need to speak fast to sound confident. In fact, speaking slowly often sounds more confident. So allow yourself to pause. Allow yourself to breathe. Now, let's connect everything together. Imagine you're speaking to someone and you say, "Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm from India and I live in Toronto now. I work as a software developer." That already sounds confident. And guess what? You didn't use any difficult English. Now, if the conversation continues, someone might ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" This is a great chance to sound relaxed and friendly. You can say, "In my free time, I like listening to music." Or, "I enjoy watching movies." Or, "I like going for walks." You don't need fancy hobbies. You just need honesty. Let's make it sound more natural. Instead of saying everything in one breath, slow down. For example, in my free time, I like watching movies, especially comedy movies. Do you hear that? That sounds like a real person talking, not a textbook. Now, let's practice something together. I'll say a sentence and you can repeat it after me in your mind or out loud if you feel comfortable. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm from India. I work as a software developer. In my free time, I like watching movies. Very good. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about confidence for a moment. Confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes. I still make mistakes. Everyone does. Confidence means you don't stop talking because of mistakes. You keep going. You smile. You continue. If you forget a word, it's okay. If your sentence isn't perfect, it's okay. The other person is not judging you. Most of the time, they're just listening. Now, let's imagine this for an English test, like IELTS or CELPIP. They might say, "Tell me about yourself." You can use the same structure. Name, where you're from, what you do, what you like. You can say, "My name is Alex. I'm from India, and I currently live in Toronto. I work as a software developer. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and listening to music." That's a clear, confident answer. Not fast, not fancy, just natural. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. You already have a story. You already have experiences. English is just a tool to share who you are. So be kind to yourself. Practice a little every day and speak, even if it's not perfect. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this video helped you feel even a little more confident, that makes me really happy. We'll continue learning together, slowly, naturally, and confidently. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep talking.